So Dr. Victorson, I have a few questions for you. So first of all, based on the bio that I just read out, with your work as a psychologist, striving to improve the quality of life of people suffering from diseases such as cancer, using contemplative, psychosocial, and biobehavioral approaches. Can you please tell us a little bit about how nature-based therapies fit into your work?
Sure, absolutely. It's been a growing, evolving extension of what I would say is more traditionally thought of interventions or programs that have more to do with direct psychological or psychosocial interventions that happen indoors in classroom settings or over the internet. But I think overall, the work that I do at its core focuses on trying to help people access resources and behaviors that we all have potentially within us to help ourselves be better versions of ourselves. And a lot of that falls under the positive health behavior realm. And so whether it's mindfulness or a self-management app, one of our constant questions is how can we help people learn to fish, using whatever rod, line, lures, or bait are available for them in their given circumstances. Maybe it's helping people learn how to build a rod and find lures or bait. Maybe it's teaching people to fish with their hands. But whatever it is, it can translate it then into positive self-care and self-management behaviors that really don't require a lot of heavy machinery. Or basically, as I said, things that are naturally in us that we can train, we can practice, we can improve upon. And that includes things in our immediate environment as well. And so then that naturally extends to the environment itself. So for me, it's nature contact and immersion is no different than mindful awareness training, in that it is something naturally a part of our experience as humans. Hopefully that continues. And as the environment is under threat, but it is as much of our nature as our bodies are, the natural environment. And so I see nature contact as a health behavior, as rudimentary as getting enough steps, getting enough Z's, taking in enough ounces of water per day. I see mindfulness as a health behavior at its core. And so for me, the purposeful connection with our outdoor world is no different than any of those other health behaviors. So I see that fitting within that framework for me.